Outdoors here in Miami. We're at our first location. We might go to a few more later in the day, but we're going to try to get some peacock bass that we've seen right down over there. Now we have some small shiners that we had bought, and we're going to give those a try. We haven't tried those before, so we're going to see how well they do for us. So my husband is hooking up a shiner right now, and we're going to hook him through the mouth. We'll play around. We have quite a few shiners with us to see where the best hook set should be. That should be good.
I don't think it's going to stay on long.
And then we also have smaller minnows, and we also have a tiny hook to see if maybe we can catch some of them littler peacock bass. There was a boat that had went through here just a little bit ago, so it may have possibly spooked them. Switching back over, my husband has got a peacock bass on. Whoa! Nice! Where'd he come from?
Straight down, there's another one down there.
I went over to the other side to see if I could see anything from the top of this bridge over here. But I ended up hearing my husband call me, and he says that he got one. Look at this, and we caught it off of a shiner. Woohoo! This is pretty. It's nice, it's small. It's got really, really nice colors. Now, as you see, we are in our hoodies and stuff here, but that's because it's cold. But that's okay. The fish are still biting. We were worried that with it being a little cold out, that they would not bite. This is hard to do with one hand. Over there.
Like throw it over the grass.
Oh, I got it. Oh my god, I panicked so bad.
It's still there. Come on.
Is it? Oh my god, I came out of nowhere. You don't want to go to the bottom anymore.
Her first ever.
Oh, oh, that's nice colorful yours.
Now for the release saw. And I missed it.
He is small, but he caught my thumb. Your turn?
Take it, dummy. Ow! Anybody else want it since this dummy don't want it? Ow! Do you see it?
You see it? We're moving on to a different location, and we have right here in the water, you see right here at the tip of my finger, is a banded water snake. Not sure which direction his head. Oh, okay, I see his head. Okay, hang on a second. There's his head. Oops, focus. Right there is his head. Just staring at me. But nope, that is a regular common banded water snake. We are over at our next location, guys, and we are going to try to see if we can get a peacock bass to smash that shiner. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, it's going for it. Oh, he got it. We're on, guys, we're on. Peacock bass on. Oh. Nice!
That's how it's done. Sign up for my charter.
Sign up for your charter. Ooh, that one's got a bright spot on its tail. And I've been casting my bait literally right over there and I haven't got one. And he goes in and drops it and gets one just like that.
Ow.
I know, you get that bass thumb.
Ready?
Yep, bird's gonna eat it. He did not know what just happened. Good job, sweetheart. That's 2 for you and still 1 for me.
I am. To put you on one?
I am on a roll. Came across the mommy sitting on a nest. I don't know if there's any babies under there or just her eggs. But she's got this perfect cozy little spot. Right down there we got some orange cichlids. Nope, he's swimming away now. There goes a peacock. And another cichlid. Ah, man, thought we were going to have one on bread. Oh, there's 3 orange ones down there. See them all? 1, 2, and 3. There's 2 right here. There's 1 over there. What is that? Is that a pea? He's going for it. He's got it. Ah, he spit it. And now he's eating it. Oh, look, here comes the fourth orange one. Okay, viewers, so I'm just taking a walk on the other side of the pond, and this big iguana had emerged out of the water. I'm going to see how close he lets me get to him. So I'm pretty sure this iguana is aware that I'm here. Oh yeah, he knows I'm here. He didn't even let me get a chance. I've gotten quite a bit closer to him, but it's kind of steep right here, so I don't think I'm gonna have too much of a chance. You don't like me for some reason. Maybe it's my hat or the sunglasses, I don't know. Look at him looking at me. Boop, off he goes. Bye-bye, Godzilla. So as you can see right there, guys, is a big old piece. Oh, he sees it moving. Oh, look at the colors on him. So freaking pretty. We are at our next location, and there are massive schools of tilapia around here. There is a freaking huge one down there. But being at this next location, it does not look too promising. I don't know if it's because of the weather or what it is. Look how happy my husband looks. I was just kidding. But yeah, nothing seems to be really biting at this new location. We're going to give it a few more minutes, and if nothing, we're going to go to another location. YouTube viewers, we are at another location down here in Miami trying to catch some peacock bass, some cichlids, maybe some Oscars, maybe even an iguana, but with this weather being cold, as you can see, I'm still in a hoodie. Husband is still in a hoodie. I think this cold weather is kind of screwing us a little bit. We did catch some peacock bass right away at the first park that we were at, and then it kind of like just died down. So I'm not totally sure if we're gonna have any much luck before we gotta start making our trip back home. So at this location, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try that tunnel way right there and see if we can get anything. Orange one is on, the orange one is on! And the freaking bucket's a mile away.
Well, we got that tote filled up.
Oh, that's right. There you go, guys. An invasive species. You got a little mustache. Way to go, sweetie. Good job.
Finally.
I was just setting up the bait on my line, and I had just missed the landing of this beautiful fish that my husband just caught. Very nice. Good job, sweetheart.
going to be a nice run to the vehicle too.
Beautiful orange color. Like that, back-to-back orange ones. My husband got that beautiful, almost solid orange, and I got this one.
But they look like a breeding pair.
Yeah, they're looking and acting like a breeding pair. So it's really good. Let's get them back to the vehicle. Okay, viewers, we're back fishing again. Same location where we last left off in the video. We just ran the cichlids back to the vehicle. We are 3 for 3. We got 3 beautiful orange cichlids and 3 peacock bass. We're losing daylight quite quickly here. We're not going to stay out too much longer because we do have a 3-hour ride back home. We have a common cichlid. Not what we're going for, but at least it was something that bit.
I thought I was snagged on the rock.
I know, you were getting really mad. Oh, come on, go the other way. Up, YouTube viewers, we are back at the first park that we were at this morning here in Miami. Everything has quieted down with people, and wow, that was a huge fish that just blew up over there. But yep, we decided to come back before we completely lose the sun and make our long journey back home. We have another orange Midas cichlid over here. We're going to try to see if we can get going on, guys. We got another one and another one. Kind of came up out of nowhere, but we got a nice another orange one. A nice cichlid. Hey guys, do us a favor. Comment below on which cichlid is the one that you guys like. Do you like the ones that have a little bit of a design / coloration to it, or do you like the solid orange ones? Nope. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another orange one on another orange one. There you go, sweetie. Woohoo, very nice. Almost solid orange. Has a couple of little black spots on it and a couple of dark areas, but other than that, that is still very nice on your backpack. My hubby is about to frickin' light these orange ones up, ladies and gentlemen. He is lighting them up. Oh my God, sweetie. I'm trying to get the pliers, but way to go, sweetie.
I think it might have swallowed.
Uh-oh. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh shit, I've got some help. The other side's open.
Good job, sweetie. That's what, 5 now? Or 6? Yeah, there's 4 in the total already. 2 more. 6 all together. Way to go. And you said there's 1 more?
There's 3 of them.
Oh.
There's 3 of them that went after the bread.
Dang. As the hubby, which is the predator, stalks his prey. That is just down there at the water's edge. Hey viewers, I'm going to be ending it off here. The sun is going down really, really fast. They're going to start closing up the park here soon. If we do so happen before we leave catch anything, I'll record a little bit of it. But until then, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends and family about us and have them become part of the Matson.Outdoors family. Please like our videos, stay tuned to our weekly updates, and start leaving us some comments. Let's see what questions you guys have, see if we can answer those questions, or if there's anything that you guys would like us to do, let us know down below. Until then, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.